Thank you, Jan. Good afternoon, everyone. Take a look on the nice white powder on the screen. Can you imagine what it could be? I don't want to guess what you are guessing. This is titanium dioxide. It is the most powerful whitener used by the food, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical industries for decades now. It is a great product, but due to safety concerns, it's already phasing out, and it is banned in the EU and under crossfire in the USA. In fact, the use by the industry of this material is already declining sharply, creating a great global need for safe and effective replacement for titanium dioxide. Now take a look of those 2 cups of coffee ahead of you. To the left one, we added a major competition product already in the market. To the right cup, this is our product in third the amount. So should I ask which one is whiter? I think it's clear. We are not only giving a whiter effect, it could be also a bright and a pearly appearance. We are talking about natural-based solution that would stand up and stable in extreme conditions required by the industry. Its production is water-based and green and scalable. We are talking about products that would address a $10 billion market and would be manufactured with toll manufacturers. We are currently optimizing and scaling up the system from tens of gram amounts into kilograms amount required for regulatory filing, and there is already a great interest by industry leaders, and we're actually in advanced discussions with some of them. To wrap it up, we are speaking about an excellent whitener that can replace titanium dioxide. It could also give a glossy and pearly effect. It is superior over competition. We are now looking for additional funds and we'll be happy to connect with potential investors and strategic partners. And with that note, I would add and wait for questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Nissim. Who has a question for Nissim?
Hi. How much does it change the taste?
It's not.
Thank you.
That was an extremely short answer, so we have time for yet another question. There, all the way at the back.
Hi, can you tell us a bit more about the impact of Ecocrystal?
Yeah, we are talking about natural molecules. It's basically guanine crystals. It is made synthetically, but in terms of carbon footprint, it is much less than any, definitely from titanium dioxide, but potentially from other alternatives as well. Most of them are minerals and other potentially problematic materials.
Okay, well, that is a bright future ahead. I couldn't